Hi guys! Welcome back to this channel. Sa video na to ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-autosave and auto-recovery ng mga files or documents nyo in Microsoft Word. So, if biglang nag-restart yung laptop nyo and nag-edit kayo sa Microsoft Word, nandun pa rin mag-autosave or auto-recovery yung document na tinatapos mo bago mag-restart or mag-auto-shutdown yung laptop nyo. So, una nating gagawin ay bubuksan natin yung Microsoft Word. Here at the left side of your screen, click on File, go to Options, then scroll down, go to Save, then make sure na naka-check itong Save, Auto-Recover, Keep the Last Auto-Save, and you can also edit kung ilang minutes. For example, 5 minutes. Make sure nyo na naka-check yung Save, Auto-Recover, and Keep the Last Auto-Save. And pwede nyo i-edit yung file location. Dito nyo makikita yung document na tinatapos nyo o ginagawa nyo. So, make sure na naka-check yung Save and Keep the Last Auto-Save. Then, make sure na tama yung auto-recover file location. You can click Browse if you want to change it. And then, just click OK. So, that's it guys. Sobrang simple and napakadali lang gawin. I hope you've learned something new today and naka-help itong video na to sa mga wino-work nyong documents sa Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. Thank you for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!